Hey Ronnie, Ronnie, I'm feeling kinda hungry, but then you say you can order, but you can't eat it. Wait, that's so unfair.
Hey everyone, today I'll be making thick ham katsu. This is koya tofu. It's really similar to freeze-dried food, but this one needs to be rehydrated. So let's go! Soak the koya tofu in lukewarm water for a minute. Squeeze out the moisture using the palms of your hands. It'll become spongy. Salt and pepper. You can use any seasoning spices you like. I'm just using salt and pepper on both sides. Wrap it with sliced ham. Use toothpick as needed. Dredge in the flour. Beaten egg. And breadcrumbs, panko. Deep fry until golden brown. Soy sauce if you like. Alright, thanks guys for watching and see you in the next video. Bye bye.